In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from QuickBooks to Excel in Classic View. This is a simple yet essential skill that can help you manage your financial data more effectively. So, let's dive in and make sure you're ready to export those reports with ease. To start, you'll want to have your QuickBooks software open and ready. Now, navigate to the report you wish to export. Make sure that the report is displayed in Classic View mode. This is important because the layout can slightly differ depending on the view you are using, and we want to ensure that all steps align perfectly with what you're seeing on your screen. Once you have your report open in Classic View, take a look at the Report Table window. In the top right corner of this window, you'll notice a row of icons. These icons give you various options to customize and manage your report. The one we're interested in today is the Export button, but it might not be immediately obvious which one it is, so let me help you find it. Look for the button positioned just to the right of the gear icon. The Export button resembles a page with an arrow pointing to the right. This icon is your key to quickly exporting your documents. Now that you've located the Export button, go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a small menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Export to Excel. By selecting this, you are instructing QuickBooks to generate an Excel file of your report. After you have clicked Export to Excel, your download should begin automatically. In just a few moments, depending on the size of your report and the speed of your internet connection, you'll have an Excel file downloaded and ready to use on your computer. From there, you can open the file in Excel to review, edit, or analyze your data further. This export feature is incredibly useful for those who need additional ways to manipulate their data or present it in another format. And that wraps up our process for exporting reports from QuickBooks to Excel in Classic View. It's truly as simple as locating the report, pressing the right icons, and downloading the file. By learning how to quickly and efficiently export your reports, you can save time and maintain a well-organized insight into your financial records, making your reporting tasks much smoother. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Good luck and happy exporting!